Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarky Farmstead. All right guys, so this is what's going on. We are butchering rabbits. Viewer discretion advised. If you don't want to see it, turn the video off now. Don't leave comments that you couldn't believe I showed this. I want to show you how you help your children get past the fear of slaughtering and butchering their own food. Let me tell you something. If you're going to raise livestock, you should be able to dispatch livestock. That their daughters and sons could do this at your age, huh, honey? So everybody, this is my niece, Chesley, and she is cleaning rabbits with her dad. And I think it's pretty awesome. I know a lot of you think your kids are going to be all sentimental and cry, but she's tough. She can do it. Everybody can do it.
She's a real redneck.
That's right. She's Redneck Steve's niece.
That's right.
That's right.
Yeah, I just got rabbit on my chicken nuggets.
That's right. Yeah, because it went blinging everywhere.
Snip it. Snip it all.
Cool.
I love it. Cool.
Snip it all.
Oh, can I show everybody your face, Savannah? My daughter's over here about to pass out. My niece is nailing it.
But you gotta also remember, she does this with deer and all that.
Yeah, she's been deer hunting since she was 6, Tony.
5. She killed her first deer at 5 years old.
5 years old. Yeah.
Beautiful deer.
Tell you what, she could feed herself. And it's the most important
That's
thing
the
right
biggest
now.
thing about it all.
She never has to depend on another human to feed her.
Gotta grab it and twist it. Gotta twist it until it cracks. Keep twisting. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Hear it crack? Alright, now, grab a knife. Cut it right there.
Love it. And she was like, yeah, you can film me. And I was like, good, because I want other people to know they can be doing this with their children. They should be doing this.
This one here is gonna be tough, alright?
That's the lungs, Chesley. Look how pretty.
Alright, now.
That's why
put
you
it in
never
there.
smoke, because they'd be black.
You gotta grab, look, grab it, grab it. Pull hard.
There you go, Mama.
Yes, that's what your lungs look like. Yours and your daddy's lungs
Yeah,
look
we
like
look-
that.
Yeah, because y'all never smoke. You see the heart? That's in your hand, too. Isn't that cute?
You don't need that in there.
The heart, the liver, the lungs, the kidneys. You
Mama
named
put
it
that in.
Speckles. Oh, that's a pretty one, Chesley. Is that a little girl? She looks just like her mama. Oh, she loves you. She has pretty eyes. Is that the one with the eyelashes? Let me see. No, that's not her. You want to go see? I have one over there. It's got the blackest eyelashes.
That way you can do hammer.
Yeah, because he doesn't like his
You
with the
don't
fur.
like all that. Now we're taking the
twist it,
intestines
twist
out,
it.
but keeping the organs in.
Okay.
Cut it.
Well, I say we.
Make move
Tony
it.
is.
Thank
Jesse
God.
is.
Thank
Hold-
God he
hold
came
it,
to help you
hold it.
today.
Hold it tight. Now. Gotta push down. Did you twist it all the way till it cracked?
I heard it crack.
Hey, baby.
There you go. Now.
She grabbed it first, slipped
No.
off.
I wanted the stainless table, but you gotta.
Yeah.
I gotta put concrete down.
Yeah,
Once it's leveled up,
it won't make everything
it
slide
won't
on it.
slide to one
Concrete,
side.
put a little back on there.
Yeah, that's a good idea too,
Even
Tony.
if it's a 2x4.
Tell you what, you could probably not even concrete it. You could probably just put the back on it to where it will,
Yeah.
it'll naturally drain off.
Yeah, because he's right. Look, it's naturally dripping right into the
What I
bucket you
wanted,
set up.
but the thing about concrete, I want to do
Yeah,
about a
grab it,
5
grab
foot. I want to do about a 5 foot pad. That way, you're not standing in mud.
And just for anybody watching, when we take out the intestines and the stomach, we throw that to the pond. Like, okay, we're going to be setting the pond up with crawfish in about a month. But right now, we've got turtles and fish, so we feed all of that back to the animals in the pond.
Yeah, we're getting crawfish too, Tony.
Yeah.
You're going to stock it